Hey everybody, this is Cassandra Love Lambert, also known as C-Love, and I just wanted to say hi and see how you guys are doing. I can't believe this is going on. I'm still a little bit in denial. It's all still a little bit surreal. I hope you guys are staying in and you're staying safe. You're wiping down all your packaging. You're just taking all the precautions to be safe with you and your family. First and foremost, I wanted to tell you also I miss you. I haven't been able to see your faces or bedazzle you and sparkle you up or communicate with you one-on-one like normal. And as a result of this, and as a result of us all being stuck in the house, I took this upon myself to start creating my do-it-yourself bedazzle kits, which are super fun. I have a quickie pack, and then I also have the Wham Bam. And as an extra bonus for this, I also included and am creating a virtual sparkle party. I thought that it would be great to like get together virtually on a Zoom channel and bedazzle our faces, and I walk you through a demo and you connect with other ladies and we bring like our wine or drink of preference, whether it's tea or whatever, coffee, and we just chit chat and sparkle our faces, and I walk you through some like tips and techniques, and then we can connect with each other. The first sparkle party I'm going to do is next Friday at happy hour, and the next one after that will be May 1st. If you've already purchased a C-Love BeDazzle Kit, you're already invited. And if you'd like to join the party, just send me or comment below, leave a comment or DM me, and you can let me know if you just want to be in on the virtual party or if you'd like to get a kit so you automatically get the invite to the virtual sparkle party. I thought this would be just a great opportunity for us all to connect and do something fun, to change it up a little bit, and lighten the seriousness, so that we can actually like bond and like giggle and just like get all pretty and pampery, because I know my everyday attire has literally been like sweats and pajamas and my hair in a grandma bun. I literally just pulled it out of a bun right now just to talk to you guys. So yeah, adding a little sparkle to our life during all of this, I thought would just like lighten the load a little bit, and you can bring your kids to it, because I know a lot of kids like watching me sparkle my face, and then they can learn as well. So yeah, just comment below or send me a message, and I hope you're staying safe, and I can't wait to see your faces, and I'll talk to you soon.